Hey, what's happening, everybody? It is Wednesday, right around noon, I suppose. Something like that. Just gonna do a quick video, kind of give you an update here in the garden. Been doing a lot of work. It's so damn hot out here, though. Like the last 2 weeks, it's been like 95 degrees with like 80+% humidity. Feels like 115 out. It is so hot. So what I did, I got my shade cloth that I've had in the garden. There's a garden right now. Remember the last video I told you I was just gonna start letting things go, let it grow, stuff like that. So this is where we're at. Everything looks pretty good. I still can't get that damn zucchini to grow fruit, but we'll see what happens. So that's the video, or that's the garden so far. So what I did was I expanded, and I know I've shown you that a little bit, but I put some shade cloth up over here too. These are the sucker tomatoes that I've planted it's probably about 2 months ago now. So these things are doing great. We got some tomatoes in here. One of my cherry tomatoes, I accidentally clipped off the wrong branch. So I planted it over here. Hopefully it'll grow. All the leaves died, so I clipped those off, but the cherry tomatoes are still going. This is my basil. So what I did this morning is I loaded up these two. There's the coonhound. I loaded up these two raised beds. I'm going to plant something in those tonight. As you can see, the shade cloth doesn't cover those, so I'm going to wait until the sun goes over the trees over here when it's not beaten down, and then I'm going to plant some cucumbers, some new tomatoes, probably some broccoli and cauliflower. I'm going to move those out here. Those seeds that I've planted, I showed you those in the last video, but I just divided these up into 1 foot by 1 foot square, as much as I could on the round area here, but 1 foot squares, and that's all I'm going to plant in these. And then back here I'm going to put up some more chicken wire so that the cucumbers that I plant can grow up and latch on to the chicken wire that I put back there on the fence. So that's the plan right now. Just a quick video, kind of making some changes here. I got this shade cloth, kind of keep the heat down, but I tell you what, it's a huge difference. Under here, it's got to be at least 20 degrees cooler than it is out in the sun. So nice and cool. It's actually pretty comfortable out here, but once you get in that sun, boy, you start sweating your ass off. It is hot already at noon. Not even the hottest point of the day yet. So quick video, that's what I'm doing. Maybe I'll do another video tonight when I'm planting these things, kind of show you what I'm doing. So everybody have a great day. Maybe I'll see you later tonight, and take care of each other.